Well, hello everyone. I'm so used to saying welcome to the other slot channel, but this is MacLuck.com. Hey, let me know if you want me to refer you as a friend. You'll get some bonus coins, I believe, and I'll get some bonus coins. Wouldn't that be great? Just bought in for the first time on this. Been seeing it advertised out there. Thought I'd spend about $100 and get 140, so did a couple buy-ins. Now this is where you can see the Money Train 4. Just gotta find it. Haven't even spun my first game yet. So, but they do have a lot of games. A lot that you've seen. Big Bass, Sugar Rush. Been a fan of Sugar Rush. Starlight Princess. Played that on Pulse. That's where you've seen some of the others. So, Billy Bob. And some Buffalo Megaways, Fire 88. Seen a lot of these on some other sites. Seen some on the other site too, Jumba. So, and well, we'll see what this does as soon as I find the new. I'm sure there was a way to there is search for a game. Money Train. Up at the top, you can search if you have your favorite. And there it is, Money Train 4, the new model. You will see. This is Inner Sweepstakes. So, a little different on the entry. Gonna adjust the... Oh, hey, you can see a reflection. Hi, everyone. Oh, he saw me for a brief second. So there's the intro. Do we have any sound? No sound. Huh. There we go. That's a mute. All right. Let's see if it's gonna get full. There he is. The bad man himself. I hope it's a little volatile and get a few hits. So, up to 150,000 times. So you can see the board is taller and the multipliers, oh, different symbols there. So, alright, that's Money Cart bonus round. Let's hope we can see one of those. Is that the full screen? That's the full screen. That's not a very different full screen if you ask me. Alright, let me zoom this in for us. So the layout's very similar. Well, I think that looks fairly good. So this is the first time to see MacLuck.com. Money Train 4, people. Eventually I will find my other microphone that I have, one I bought, and then in the move process I have not seen it. We're going to start it off week 25 spins, 40 cents. I'm not going to start it off big because it can lose. Now a lot of the symbols, you need 8 symbols before it will pay. It does have the respin feature. So we're spinning the spades right now and a multiplier. I do like to stop it every once in a while. We just got nothing. Nothing exciting. A 2-time multiplier for this win. Not much. There's one of the bonus symbols. Some of these symbols, as I started to say, you need 8 of them before you get a pay. You need 10 and 12 on some others. That's a good hit for the top paying guy. 48 cents. I don't know if you need just 3 bonus symbols still. Oh, there's a respin feature. So if you notice, you got a bar over here. When you get one of these symbols to drop, it starts raising it up and will multiply the amount. Come on, there we go. So it goes to 1.2, then 2.x. There we go, multiplier, that's good. We're jumping up to 10 times if we get 1 more. Yes, 2 more. Get up to 20 times, then we'll have 3 times additional, 4 times. This has a potential for a little bit of a hit. Despite being 40 cents, I haven't stopped it. Oh, it's done. Yep. $8 times 4, 32, big win! Yay! Got a mega win! Well, there you have it on MacLuck.com. Our first win! I really want to see the bonus round. That's why I'm starting off the bets a little low. So we can work our way up and maybe get that bonus round so everybody can see Money Train 4. Alright. So when the machine guns go off on the right, that is your respin notifier. Very similar to Money Train 3. 16-cent hit. Woo doggy! Alright, we're taking the bet up. 60 cents. 25 spins, risking about $15. Remember, we bought in for just under 100, and they gave us the bonus buy-ins. Got 40. There's the respin feature. The machine guns went off. Getting ready to hit the mouse button to stop it. Every other one, I like to stop it. Oh, not a very big hit that time. Come on now, don't be tight. 30 cents. Half the bet. We need the key pictures. The lady with the ponytails, the guy with the beard, the Indian. Those are the better paying symbols. Yes, my oilless chair still squeaks. We're respinning with spades again. We need to get a bunch of spades. Multiplier. You can get up to 5 times multiplier. I've seen it. Oh no. $1.80 on the sweeps. Free spin with the premium symbol. Now if we can get some multipliers. That was a good one. Oh, that's great. 6 times. We're climbing to 10. I did do some quicker stops. Just $7.20, not bad. So you guys will have to let me know what you think of Money Train 4. Taking it up another notch. Risking about 18. Sweeps coins. See if we can get a better hit. 50 plus spins in. Come on. Can't even imagine what fast, if you click the fast button over here, how fast is. It's quick. Wow. That goes too quick. Ooh. Oh, he did pay. I was wondering if he would. Well, we're blowing through close to 75 spins. Got a respin. The old man with the cigar. Let's quick stop him, see if we get lucky. Oh. I'm gonna have to let him spin through. So to me it seems like there's more free respins instead of the bonus round so far. Got 75 spins in, creeping up to a dollar amount. 25 spins, we're now down to the buy-in money. Risking 25 to see if we can get in. Really want to see. There's a respin. Gonna let her spin through on her own. Let's hope for the best. Oh, nuts. Should have stopped it. That sucked. Come on, where's those bonus symbols? There's a bonus symbol. Only a 40-cent hit. Low paying symbol, the green ones. Alrighty. Just one bonus symbol at a time. That's sad. Darn, didn't get the green beard. Okay, I'm gonna give it 10 more. Maybe 10 after that too. 40 cents again. There we go. Wonder what would happen when you get 2 hits like that and if you got the respin feature. Would you get 2 different characters? Lock that bonus on the screen, that would be cool. Multiplier, it doesn't lock it. Ah! Nuts! 50 cents, a little bit better symbol, but still stubborn on the game. Free spin with the best player. We are going to stop it. I am tired of this thing not paying me. Oh! Yeah, it looks tilted. I need to get the other tripod that I go to the casinos with out. This one just shows a little lean. Well, started off good. It's finishing bad. Last spin. Money Train 4 on McLuck.com. First time to play their site. It doesn't look bad. Hey, you do have the option. You can play the feature. 50 cents would probably be $50. Holy cow. You have the original or the persistent feature. Wow. That's weird. Oh, I hate to throw away 50. Let's do it, people! Persistent feature. Holy cow, that's 250 to play. Wow. Let's get that down on the bet. Oh, 20 cents is all you can do. I wish I would have saw that right away. Could have saved this video. There you have it, guys. You can buy the feature on this one. Do I want to buy in? Holy cow. 200 sweeps coins to play that persistent feature just to see what it looks like. Oh, nuts. Need another 100. Alright, we're gonna post this video. You guys tell us what you think. And we might take a look, see if there's any other games that we want to play here. Thanks for watching Barb's Slot Play on McLuck.com. Remember, if you want to be referred or be a referral, I think you get points if I use your name to refer you into it. So you can shoot me a message and an email address, and I think I can have it sent to you that way. And then if you buy in, well, good luck to you. And we'll see how it works out. Talk to y'all later. Bye-bye.